welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is really upset and he is talking to Misty and her followers. He's saying that they've been bothering her for the past couple of days, just stopping his progress or trying to stop his progress, basically. And he's tired of it and he's telling them exactly how he feels. So, guys, if you want to hear more about what Dwayne has to say to Misty and her followers, please go ahead and catch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. That's very important. And for all the lovelies out there that is celebrating their birthdays today, happy birthday and have yourselves a prosperous, happy, joyful, and peaceful year. Now, for all my other lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Me can't nothing in peace. Me can't do nothing in peace. I like say I won't alone forget big and fat and stink pants wash with the big and swat like a blood clot whale. I won't alone forget big and swat like big blood clot beach with fire. Me no want get big toe. Move. I'm a blood clot prosper. Don't get enough of the charity. When a dear me that leave me the fuck alone and don't want to come class and become more class them on my class me not take you back. Me tell me not afraid of no girl and boy out and go suck and be good. And stop harassing me and stop bothering my damn nerves. Stop harassing me. I don't like to be harassed. I don't like it. Cause when they harass me, I get nasty and stink and dirty like one big stinking blood clot Coronation Market dirty woman. Now fuck with me. Leave me alone. Leave me the blood clot alone, drunker. Leave me the fuck alone. Now for no go find one wood for suck pankal. You know what I say? Oh no, I wanna know. You know what I wanna know? On the crutches that grow blood clot cupboard. No man now fuck with the nine blood clot one. No man now joking on up thinking crutches. Go. And I believe that me don't want to no done one. Me don't want it. I don't want a grey front, poor looking crutches, dirty woman. Wanna leave me alone. Leave me alone. Yes, me, me lean up and me still no want to know. Me lean up and me get baby at blood clot boy and fuck off. And leave me alone. The shit house, you know. I'm told what is the fuck wrong with blood clot? What is wrong with on shit house? What is wrong with on why do you love to harass people so? When you not harass me, when I harass blood clot curly, when you not harass blood clot harass Tina Chin, I want come crucify and demonize people because demons on a done out blood clot demon crutches. Yeah, when up here friggin' on an night time, because demonize on a friggin' crutches. You drunk crow, no? You're damn right. Girl, go suck yourself. Don't ask me nothing. Girl, go suck yourself. You're bright. Make a phone call. You're out of your stink. I'm a phone guard. I'm gonna need the phone. Then again, I got nothing to prove to you nor anyone. Move. Move. Oh no. I bet you're one of them blood clot poor looking crutches, dirty woman will have wabbit and harass people. Fuck you. And leave me alone. I not beg no friend for none. I don't want the friendship. I'm doing the ass phone. I call it phone. The drunk crow, no? Want come harass me. I'm soon. Me soon, me a trouble on me, move. I'm more class on my class on the people. I'm more done him for free too. I'm afraid of no girl a boy about here. I ring, come man, ring. Right. How phone gone? Outside. Maybe there, so. Stop harassing me, plan. Stop harassing me. Come more class on the boss, more class him to the lowest blood clot all the time. We class up him pussy wall. What it is, my friend, I wanna more class. Anyone I know what the fuck no know. What if ask mama, ask my mama, ask her when people trouble me, I cuss out them bumble. I've mad about the rest of my name, so I chop two, but I'm gonna go from me, you know. I'm gonna go, you know. I'm gonna say go and leave me alone. How did the ass Ford? I Ford God. I didn't know why I come black me life again. You see, when I drunk or when I dog shit, when I come black me life. What the fuck could I black me life for? Go man, go and leave me alone. And lift up from both here. I want not send call on them. I not send call on them. I want not beg on to watch them neither. I'm gonna do the ass phone. I not beg on to watch me. I not beg none on to watch me. Lift up from both here and come off my bumbleclad page. And stop harassing me. I know it there. Move drunk or move. And leave me alone. On the outsider. I love trouble people too much. And then when people clap and don't walk on crime on go dirty drunk shit house. Mascot you know. Dog shit. If you let me leave people alone, I'm not trouble no. I'm not trouble no boss. I never play Mixup. But because I'm not class feel, or not problem. Because suck on yourself, I'm not class with that big blood clot each way. I'm not class feel. I'm not class feel. And yes, look, I'm telling you, I'm class him today, I'm class him again. And if I go out and class him tomorrow, I'm going to class him the next day too. I'm not afraid of nobody. I don't afraid of none of them. I'm going to fuck off. I don't afraid of none of them. If you want to class him, but my class, me not take you back. So you can tell it, it's my afraid I don't know. Listen, I don't own none of no rass loyalty. I don't own none of no. I don't want none of no light on. If you go from your drunk or go and leave me alone and stop fucking come blood clot harass me. That's not blood clot feed me. Will not feed me? Will not club me? What are you doing for me? What exactly are you doing for me, Panya? What are you do for me? Want to give me stars? What are you do? Want to like me? Go suck on yourself, shit ass. And leave me alone. The fuck no. Oh, I'm too no. And if you leave people alone, because you know some of my blood clotted to my class, become class. Girl, them block me 2 times. 2 times me drunk and them block me. Me get black yesterday. And me come up and fire today. And them block me again. Look at shit out. Them block me again. I want to them dirty stinking people here. I want to them. If people not class for that, people can't be a bumble clapping. So what I want to take go suck out that bottom and leave me alone. Blood clot don't know. Bright. Tired out now. What you call it for? A vice if you call it vice. Yeah, girl, 2 times them block me out. I'm there 2 times, you know. 2 times shit house them block me. 2. 1 yesterday and 1 today. 2 times. And they want to come block on me, my fucking, hello? Hello? What you doing? I'm just going to tell you I love you, okay? I love you so much. And I'm not going to cuss the people. Yeah, I'm going to try to behave. Yeah. On the go for your drunk, yeah. I'm not going to cuss them. I'm not going to cuss them. Alright, I'm going to shout you later. I'm going to shout you again. Alright, bye. I love you, bye. Go, me have blood clot. Me pick on the shit house. Go. Are you still there? You can hang up. Bye. Alright, bye. Now look at dirty Brianna. Brianna, go find one man for friggin' your thinking work. You know, a man for fuck you. That a mad you drunk, It a mad you. Go. Enough on the manless. And imagine the lean up boy and people pick their mad over him. Go. Or no go for ya. When they know who you are, right? I'm a class lean up boy. But when they make me a chip, I turn in a shit house, so the go shit house, and go suck on yourself. I'm not afraid of the dog shit. I don't afraid. Here what? Since Facebook is a problem, my people click on the link and follow me ass YouTube. Them cannot do what them do to me on Facebook. Them cannot do it on YouTube. And I ask me to tell them can't do it on YouTube. Them cannot do it on YouTube. Dog shit, you know. I come about the way and I harass me. What you harassing me for? What you harassing me for? Me so, no? Move! Go get a blood clot, like, go for a man for fuck, you know. Cause no for nag, no stiff dick. That's just a blood clot tormented. But no one can fight people for woman. Like on a love woman front. A front on a love. No for love suck front and lick and clit. And that's on a love drunk or dirty. Listen, no for no lesbo. No for no ass lesbo. Go ahead. Drunk crown, no? Right. I bet you can't come catch me on YouTube. Come bother me on YouTube. That come bother me on YouTube. Come bother me on YouTube, dog shit. You come bother me over there. You don't know get away that. I want to copyright me. Yeah. Remember telling us me a copyright king over that ass. I will still play on the video. I will still play on the video over there. I want to can't copyright me. I don't copyright. Actually, I better only can't copyright me. But in a 10 days that have to come off in a shit house. Move. You're right. I don't know. 10 business days that have to come off. Oh no. Dog shit. Ass nerves. That's me a big friend for no. Me not beg no friend for no. Where? I don't want the friendship. I don't want nothing from Uno. I don't want nothing under the sun from Uno. You see me tell Uno? Uno, me eat to no. Uno, me eat to no. Uno, me eat Uno. I'm not telling me eat to no. Me eat to with a passion. Me eat the ground when the blood clot happen. Someone if you got dead, shit house, got dead. Got blood clot, get diabetes or stroke and dead on a shit house, you know. Stop harass me and leave me alone. Me not trouble, you know. The fuck don't know. I couldn't harass tired. I'm not tired. I'm not loving people class and a big stinking beat your boss. I love it though. I'm not loving people class. More class him. More class me not take him back there. I don't go for ya. Oh no. Cause why I say on a bullbuck and bumbuck like duppy can crack. Go dog shit on a go from about ya. I don't want no plan for my page except Sunny out. All the plan wants my page is Sunny a lot. The rest of them I got black out on a dirty pusswell. I got black out on a rascal. Your dirty brother still bother me. Your dirty my brother still bother me. I report my ass live and I get my black pan face when I try to get my black pan YouTube today and it never work on YouTube. But it work over like a shit house and I got suck and be good. And that's if I got blood clot though. And then try about a Tina Chin. Tina Chin did nothing. Move for yourself. When I fucking try to instigate war. When I cannot instigate war, me and Tina Chin go suck on herself. Right. Tired I wanna stop harassing me. You see me realize, imagine when them you know what's the wickedest part about this whole stuff? When them depend them live, I swear to God, if I tell a lie right now, more and God backs me down. I want them over there class people, a class people picnic, a class people mama, papa, grandmama. Me nah trouble them. I don't look upon them. Cause you know why? I don't look upon them. Because here what? Everyone have a platform and them free to do what them want to do upon them platform. But if me want to rebut what them said, I'm gonna do that. Upon my platform, so why is them harassing me? Why are they harassing me? I want fuck off and leave me alone. Bumble. Shit also no. Imagine a 2 live delete today. And my second live I had to delete it because that live would have been blocked and it would have not been visible to the public. It would have not been visible because they might keep on fuck with me. Dog shit, you know. Honestly, me of looking to some people. I am happy with them. Man, I run down the numbers. If I forget numbers, let me get my numbers by myself. I do not want the people them followers to come. I don't want them. I don't want, oh no. Let me stay with the look what God blessed me with. Let me stay with the few that God has blessed me with. I am happy with them. Imagine I was on my YouTube today and I only had 60 people on my live. And I was not complaining. I was not complaining. Them are going with themselves in the comment. I mean, laugh and I got myself over this side. That was all I wanted. Me never want nothing else. I want to move. And leave me alone. I'm going to suck out that about two all. Shit also no. I go open the moment and shit down near me. I'm pissing them and then I'm drinking. Dog shit. Leave me alone. Stop harassing me. Stop harassing me. Stop harassing me. And then someone come talk about content. I don't give two shits about no damn content. You know, do you guys know? Do you guys know? I could have been posting people's stuff on my YouTube a long time ago. I could have been doing that a long time. I know that, right? Because I do have a monetized YouTube channel. I could have post people shit on that and talking at it. Long as you have look originality in it, you're fine. I could have done that a long time ago, but I didn't want to. Come in and run down money like I wanna. I wanna run down social media money. I wanna toast it, I wanna hungry for that ass. I wanna know that too. I wanna hungry for. I am not. If we dead tomorrow, I'm gonna leave the money we have. I wanna go if I leave me alone. I'm not bothered. I'm tired of you people harassing me. I don't want to go to YouTube. I don't want to go to YouTube. I don't want to go to YouTube. I love Facebook, but it looks like I forgot YouTube. I forgot YouTube now. I have to go to YouTube now because these people, they won't leave me in peace and tranquility. And even then, listen, all of my mods, them, they drank a plank of them. Because Tina chat about Dana today, right? So I'm Sarah. Because Tina chat about Dana today, and all of them and everybody else, they come from my live. And when them start talking about Dana, the damn live start get report. And then the damn live stuck. Now what the hell is this? All to them people here, them black me on Facebook. And I come on YouTube and come black me too. It won't work on YouTube, it won't work. On an idiot, on a fool, on a mascot. Imagine big dirty hard Batman and Bumbleclad woman. I go on, I fight war for blood cloud woman when I fight on a fucking idiot, not a sense. On a dark. Some on a dark. On a fool. On a fool. Oh, no, I could go fight war for people who not fight pound. On a sense. On don't have no sense. On a fucking on a idiot. On go beg God for your life. Go beg God for blessing you that life. Go beg God for your life. And that's what you go do. Start this, you hear? Start this up. Come on, like up my video, people like up the video. Right, I'm begging to like up the video. I'm begging on no, like the video. Imagine every day the people get up, they want to come wire people for this blood clot big bird. On the move, man. On the move. Then again, what I look alike? What I look alike? Big like a blood clot barrel. When you want to jam and gym. I got to say what I love suck crutches. When I love suck ton. I saw on the stay. Carpet munchers. That's what I wire for blood clot whenever I ask there. So big dirty man and dirty man on the move. I'm Tuna. I don't talk about content. Content is the bomber clat. Content which part? Fuck the content. Fuck it. On this mirror long views no more. But stop that. I'm fine with the little God. I am fine with the little God give me. On a great from here. Great from here, leave me alone. I don't know if you go do. I'm to look at dog shit. I'm Tuna. I'm not tired. Why I only get up every day? Just harass people, sir. Every day I only get to harass people, sir. Every day, sir. I don't want to harass people, just be harass people. Go and beg God for a fucking life. Go beg God for a life. Go and beg God for a life, dog shits. Go beg God for a life. When a life sad.